How much does it cost to replace a heat pump or maybe upgrade to a heat pump? Well, it costs between $8,000 and $23,000. But before you go, let me tell you why. That $8,000 to $23,000, that's covering from a 1.5 ton system, which is gonna be like, a small starter townhome around like 900 to 1,200 square feet, all the way up to a 5-ton system, which can cover like 2,000-ish square feet, depending on your installation. The average cost to replace your heat pump system or upgrade to a heat pump system is gonna be between $8,000 and $23,000, just depending on the size of your home and the efficiency level that you opt for. The average, $13,450, but again, that average is pulled up by the folks who are choosing a little bit more efficient system, and the median cost is $12,860.